This website will pay you every time you copy and paste an image. Sounds so simple, right? People from all over the world are using this strategy to make money online and generate thousands of dollars every single day. It's time to reveal this strategy so you can claim your share of this big pie. Many people can't believe that there is such a simple way to make money online, and that's what I am going to be proving to you today. I will share with you the strategy step by step and drop some tips and tricks to help you double up your profit. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First step is to go to Templatemonstercom. I am sure some of you are already familiar with this platform. But for those who have never heard about it, Templatemonstercom is a completely free platform. It is a digital marketplace where you can get a variety of digital products such as website templates, plugins, and graphic designs. On top of that, you can get WordPress, Shopify, PowerPoint designs, and the list just goes on. No worries, you won't have to buy anything. There is no need to invest in any money into this strategy. We will use this site to sell images that we will be making with a second website that I will be sharing with you in a bit. You also don't have to make or build anything, since I will share with you a tool that will do all the work on your behalf. So you just need to do some copy and paste, and you're good to go. This is a powerful and simple method that you can start applying today. As usual, I will show you some examples of people who are already crushing it on this platform. So watch the video until the end to see it all. Once you watch and follow all the steps mentioned in this video, I can guarantee that you will finally make your first sale on the internet. Let me just tell you that it is extremely satisfying to see that first sale email notification. According to SimilarWeb, this platform gets more than 1.95 million visits every month from all over the world. That's a huge number, and you can easily sell something to these people, which is what we are learning today. There are tons of items that you can sell here. You don't need any design or coding skills. The tool I will share afterwards will do all the work for you. In this video, we are going to take the example of the resume template, as I am sure that all of us are familiar with this important document, and we can easily market it on social media if we want to increase our sales. What we need to do is hit on all products, graphics, then the resume templates. You will be taken to this place where you can see these resume templates that these guys are selling. We can see how many orders they received and the price they are charging, so we can easily estimate just how much money they are making. This one, for example, has sold his template more than 300 times at the price of $10. That's a great $3,000 pure profit. Simply amazing. You can also see the other examples. Everybody's making some solid cash here. And it's now your turn. You can check out the best sellers here to get an idea about the most popular designs and duplicate them afterward using the tool I will share with you next. Wow, just look, these guys are making thousands of dollars. This is going to be a super exciting one. Make sure to watch it till the end. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more methods on how to make money online. To start selling, let's click here. The process won't take more than a minute to complete, and you officially become a seller. It's just a simple registration process that you can easily do, but do let us know in the comment section if you face any challenges along the way. Once you're logged into your account, you can start listing down the digital products that you want to sell and begin making money. All you need to do is select the type of product you wish to sell. In our case, we are trying to sell resume templates. Let's choose that. Then click on Next. You will be taken to this place where you need to describe the product. You can actually get it from the tool I will share with you later on, so keep watching. That's all. Just confirm the description and submit the file, and you're ready to make money on this platform. Now, let's learn where to find the resume templates that we can sell here. Before we answer that question, this is the Miss Finance channel, where we share with you the latest strategies on how to make money online. We share new strategies every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It takes only a few seconds, but it really does encourage us to make more free content for you guys. Now, I want you to go to Crello.com. It's a free graphic design tool that helps you create amazing content in minutes. You can browse thousands of professional templates and edit them right away. This will be the tool that we will use to build graphic content that we can sell over there at Templatemonster.com afterwards. With some simple drag and drop, we will build our store and start making money. You can search the type of content you want to make. Let's look for resume templates. There are thousands of examples here. We just need to edit and upload them on Templatemonster.com. So simple, right? If you like a template, just click on it to see a preview and think of all the changes you can do to make it more appealing. If you like it, just hit on Use this template. You will be taken to the dashboard. You basically can change any element on this template, including the text, color, photos, and so on. It won't take much of your time. Once done, just hit on download. You will be asked to sign up, just create your account, and you're all set. In this example, we need to download the file as a standard PDF. You know what to do next, right? Now imagine if you do this every day, and you keep expanding your store on Templatemonster.com. You will get your first sale soon. I won't say it will happen on the first day, but if you put enough effort and energy, you will get your first sale within days. I'm sure of it. This template will be available forever, so it's a passive income method that you can set and forget. And the best part is that you don't need to pay any fees or memberships. It's free, so what are you waiting for? If you have made it all the way to the end, give the video a big thumbs up. And let us know in the comments section where you're watching from. Our family is growing every day, so if you want to learn more ways on how to make money online, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon!